Hello everyone. In this question, we will find a solution for a real world problem using the matrix. And the problem as follows. We have student number 1 and student number 2 and student number 3 and student number 4. For example, when we are talking about student number 1, so we have the first column, which is student number 1. And when we are talking about the student number 2, we are talking about column 2, which is student number 2, student number 3, which is like the column number 3, and student number 4, which is the column number 4. In this question, we can see that the matrix represents the final exam score for 8 students. When I'm saying 8 students, here is the matrix. So we have exactly 1 student, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So we have 8 students. Each element in this matrix represents one of those students. Okay, those students in Miss Simpson science class, and Miss Simpson will increase each of these grades by 10% to account for extra credit done throughout the marketing period. So now the question is about, like, this is the grades that the student get. So the teacher want to push them up and increase their grades by 10%. The question is, which matrix represent the adjusted final exam scores for the 8 students rounded to the nearest whole number? Remember, we will go back to this nearest whole number. So now, what we have is 68. So we have, let me use this, yes. So we have like 68, but the 68 represent exactly the 100% of the grade. I'm talking about the 68 like this. So now, the teacher want to raise up the students with a 10%. So we can use it like this. So 68 divided by 100% times 10%. Okay, we can cancel the percent with the percent. We can cancel 10 with one of the zeros. Then we have 68 divided by 10. And this will equal to 68 divided by 10. We can use the 68. We can 0.0. This 0 will not change the value now, but we use it for decimal because we have 1 0, so we get the decimal to the left one place, and finally we end up with 6.8. So 6.8 for the 68, the teacher will raise up the grade. But the final grade is something like this. Let's talk about the 68. This is what the student get, and then we will add the 10%, which is 6.8, to that. So now we have 68.0, and then we have 6.8. We add it. 0 plus 8, 8. Now 8 plus 16, which is 14. Then 1 plus 6, which is 7. So the answer will be 74.8. Remember that we said we need to find the grade to the whole number. So here is the place value 1. Before that we have 8. The 8 by itself is more than or equal 5, so it's more than 5. So we need to add 1 to the 4. So 4 plus 1 equal 5. So the last answer will be like this, 75. Okay, so now the answer is 75. We don't need this now. Let's check the answers. Which one has 75? I think this answer will be the right answer because this is 75. We can check the rest of them the same way to figure out how much or how is or what is the final grade of the each student based on this. So 95 will turn to be 105, and that's it. So if we choose this answer, we can see that this is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.